Welcome back to AdamDIY. I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video. It's Viewpoint Solutions, and Elizabeth there provided me these two Toucan video cameras that we're going to take a look at. This is the Toucan wireless video doorbell and the Toucan wireless outdoor security camera. A quick rundown of the features on these. They both have everything that you'd expect now in a security camera. They have night vision, motion detection. You connect with it wirelessly. You watch the live feed on your app, on your phones. They both have two-way audio, which is great. You can speak to whoever's there and they can speak back and you can hear them. This one has a full 180-degree viewing angle, which is great for a porch. Nobody's going to be standing off the side that you wouldn't be able to see. It's going to see everything. And apparently this is the first wireless doorbell camera to have that big of an angle. So let's take a look. We'll take a look at this one here. See what you get. Security stickers. This is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, which is nice. It's tiny. Both of these cameras run by a rechargeable battery and it should last at least 4 months, it says. And the battery usage will depend on how much movement is in front of the camera because it only really turns on when it senses movement. It doesn't waste time recording everything 24/7. So this is a magnetic base. You just screw this to the wall. You can use the keyhole screw slot there. And that's it. And it just positions like that. This is good because when it comes time to recharge, you just want to yank it off and recharge it. This is definitely the smallest outdoor camera we've reviewed so far. For comparison, look at this. You can see how big it is. Now let's open up this one, see what we get. Okay, more security stickers. There's the doorbell with the camera. And this is the chime. Okay, so you're going to push the doorbell and this is going to make some noise there. So you need a chime and you're not going to use your existing chime. You can put this anywhere. You don't need to worry about the actual house wiring, which sometimes can be a big pain. Out of all the wiring in a house, I think they do the worst job on doorbell wiring for some reason. They use the worst wires and there's no length in there. They're hard to... Any of you who've worked on a doorbell know exactly what I'm talking about. And there it is. Looks nice and sleek. This is the mounting bracket. You're going to screw this plate to your wall. This locks on like that, and then the screw locks into place. I'll skip the next part. I'm going to charge these, make sure they're fully charged. I'll read a little bit more about them and the features, and I'll download and sync these to the app, and then we'll jump ahead and mount these. Here's the manual. You can pause it if you want to take a look at something closer, but it's really simple, well explained and illustrated too. This took no time at all to install. It's nice and secure, looks good. Let's move to the next one. Both cameras are set up now. Let's take a look at the backyard. You can see it's gonna load. This is all real time. Okay, pulled it up. Let me focus. So there, I move my hand. You can see it go again. I'll go back. Wave, and there it is waving. So it's about 2 seconds off, which is kind of normal, really. So now I turn my Wi-Fi off. Now it's going through the cell network to get to the camera. Let's see any delays. Is it just me or is that even faster? Watch this. Now this is a test of what the speaker sounds like coming from the security camera. It's about 8 feet behind this camera right now.
This is a test of the Toucan mic system.
Testing the microphone?
Testing the microphone.
Wow. That speaker's good. Here's my first impressions on this camera. The build quality is good. It installs very fast. The camera quality is about what you'd expect for this level of HD, so it's no surprises there. The speaker sounds great. I thought it was awesome. This is one thing that I don't know if it's a setting or what, but after you're watching the footage for a while, it says session times out and it shuts off the camera. You can just hit view again and it will load again. See how long it takes here. There we go. I don't know if that's just stop you from burning out the battery, because that could be an issue. If you just left this going, it's going to wear down the battery a lot more, or if it's just a setting or what. But you know, if you're thinking you're just going to sit here with this camera going on your desk forever, it's probably not a good idea, you know, using it as a monitor like that, because the battery will just drain. And watching footage, this has a 24-hour recording that's stored, and you have access to that. After 24 hours, everything's deleted. If you want to subscribe for more storage, you can do that as well. They have that option. And if I remember correctly, the fees are just average, what you would expect with other services as well. All right, we got front door motion detected. Let's just see. This is real time. I haven't used this before. Got to use my thumbprint. See what it shows us at the front door. Somebody must have walked by. I think what it recorded was the sunlight hitting the camera lens, because there's nothing there. Either that or I have to go back and adjust the settings. But as you can see, all the events so far of me installing this camera are all here, all recorded. As far as the app goes, I think they did a really good job on it. It's nice and clean. It's well laid out. It shows you all the events in a thumbnail. And let's click that one there. And it's pretty responsive, so I think they did a good job there. We're gonna do a quick test. My son's out there, he's gonna ring the doorbell. We're gonna see how this whole thing works. So in a second, it'll ring. So we'll hear the doorbell chime in a second. There we go. So, and my phone also went, played a sound. So we're gonna hit accept. There we go. Hey buddy, can you hear me?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. What does it sound like? What does my voice sound like?
It kind of sounds like Abraham's voice.
No, but I mean, can you hear me well? Does it sound good?
Yeah, it glitches a little bit sometimes.
Okay. But it's okay. But you can understand everything I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I think that's it. Thanks for your help, buddy. You can go play now.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye.
An interesting feature, if you don't want to use your voice to talk, you can use these canned responses if somebody's at your door. It says, hello, who is it? How can I help you?
How can I help you?
A moment, please.
A moment, please.
Sorry, we're busy, or put the parcel down.
Please put down the parcel here.
No soliciting, thank you.
No soliciting, thank you.
Or you can have a dog bark.
I don't know why you did this.
You want to know why I did what?
Add a new doorbell.
Oh, why? Okay, we're trying out a new... Yeah, we're trying out a new doorbell.
Trying out a new doorbell.
Yeah, we're trying out a new doorbell.
Funny.
Okay, get mom. All right, that's going to do it for this review. I did like these. These were fun. They worked really well. The fisheye, 180 degrees, that was awesome. The speaker was great. I loved the app. It was nice and clean. I liked that you saw every event and it listed them well for you. 24 hours is a bit short. It's on the short side of recording, but you can up it if you want to pay a subscription. Anyway, I think these are neat. I liked them. If you want to pick up some yourself, the links, again, are always in the video description. It'll take you to their site. This doorbell camera is $89 and this camera is $79. So if you have any questions for me, I always try to answer them, but I do get a lot, so I get overwhelmed sometimes. But go ahead and leave them in the comments section, and I'll try to answer you guys. Until then, I will see you for another video soon. Take care and have an awesome day.